Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to see your Facebook password. Okay, let's start. First, open your Facebook app. Now click three-dot line. Click Setting and Privacy. Click now Settings icon. Click here Account Center. Click here Password and Security. There is no option to see your Facebook password. Don't worry, follow my next steps properly. Open your Gmail app and follow my steps. Click Manage your Google account. Click now Security option. Now scroll down. Click Password Manager. Now click Facebook icon. Enter your screen lock password. Now see your Facebook password. I hope your problem solved successfully. Please subscribe my channel.